Savan is hiking. We're getting ready right now. Little hike right up the road. For those of you who are out of town, you can get to this hike by bus at the end of the El Curio bus route. It's in Escazu. You can actually catch the bus from Coca Cola station in San Jose, and it goes through Escazu and then up the hill to El Curio. Right at the end, you're right there. We happen to be staying right there, so we don't have to take a bus this time. Let's go. Trailhead right here. You can't see me, obviously, but this is my beautiful family. We're ready to go on this hike. And just in case you weren't aware, los ríos no son basureros. That means the rivers aren't trash cans. Who knew? When hiking in Costa Rica. Just in case you didn't know. We've been hiking over an hour now. This is the clearing we've come to. Some parts are pretty steep. I gotta hand it to the little ones. Here's Benson, sporting his Ohio State gear. Go Buckeyes. And Savannah, and there's Phoenix in the back there, and down there is Zoe's also done a good job, sometimes on my shoulders. So, I'm guessing the waterfall we're looking for is close by, and even if it isn't, we're okay. Trail goes up here through this little stream. Should be pretty exciting. We happen to run into a group of fellow expats, giant family hanging out here. As you can see, there's lots and 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 lots of green. Again, to snack, pretty good. As far as stopping, pretty good place. It's incredible. Steps away from the waterfall when we stop to take our snack break. Here it is. This is pretty amazing. Certainly not a Los Chorros waterfall type, but still pretty awesome. The question is, am I dumb enough to get in? I think we all know the answer to that.
Lord forgets in a...
This is home!
This is unbelievably beautiful. Savannah's mad because she's getting bitten by mosquitoes, even though we keep spraying her down. Anyways, unbelievable. You going? Tarzan. Tarzan from Ohio.
Wow. Master vine swinger. One more try. Whoa. All right, we are in the jungle.